In this video, we'll guide you through the tamper-proof printing process in PowerChart. This feature ensures that eligible narcotic prescriptions are routed to a specialty printer and printed on BC-controlled prescription forms. This replaces the need for handwritten duplicate prescriptions, simplifying the workflow for healthcare professionals. Let's review the key requirements for tamper-proof printing to function properly in PowerChart. First, make sure your patient is on a unit that has a tamper-proof printer. Here is a list of units that have a tamper-proof printer enabled. Second, ensure that you as the user are working on a hospital workstation. Please note, laptops and non-hospital devices are not compatible. Now, let's walk through the steps to use tamper-proof printing in PowerChart. Ensure that the patient's location is on a unit that has a tamper-proof printer. This can be done by checking the location on the banner bar. Next, navigate to the Orders page. Select the Add button to add a medication. Remember to select Discharge from the drop-down list when searching for discharge prescriptions. Type the name of the medication in the search bar. For this example, we will use methadone. Only Schedule 1A drugs will route to the tamper-proof printer. On the Orders page, notice the gavel icon next to the drug. This icon indicates that the prescription is a tamper-proof prescription. Printers designated for tamper-proof printing will be tagged at the end with N1. These printers will be different than those when ordering non-tamper-proof prescriptions. Next, fill out the required fields and select the Sign button to sign for the order. Remember to collect the printed prescription from the tamper-proof printer and add a wet signature to it. Leave the duplicate on the unit to be filed and deliver the prescription to the patient. Next, let's review the discharge medication reconciliation workflow. Navigate to the Orders page and select Discharge from the Reconciliation drop-down list. The clinical pharmacist may apply reconciliation actions for all orders except for those which require controlled prescriptions to be generated, then leave the med rec in the planned state. In this case, the provider would review the medications and select the Prescribe Radio button next to the narcotic orders to generate the tamper-proof prescriptions. In the order details, ensure that the prescription is routed to the tamper-proof printer. Remember that tamper-proof printers are tagged with N1. Then, fill out any outstanding fields and click Sign on the Discharge Med Rec when ready. Again, remember to collect the prescription from the tamper-proof printer and add a wet signature to it. Leave the duplicate on the unit to be filed and deliver the prescription to the patient. If you have questions or need support on Cerner, please do not hesitate to reach out. Thank you for watching.